Disclaimer: if you take action on this video, you might accidentally become successful and make a lot of money. Welcome back to When Money Talks. In this video, you will learn 5 different ways proven to make money online that do not require you to be 18 or have any upfront costs. All you need is motivation, hustle, and a laptop. And no, I am not going to talk about doing surveys. You will also be pleased to know that you will not be sold any courses on this channel. As a teen, you probably have had to look for jobs in order to save money for college or just have some extra cash. You might have even done a classic teenage job like pizza delivery, waiting tables at your local restaurant, or even lawn mowing. While those jobs are good for making some fast money, they offer limited exposure and skills. Besides, I can assure you, if you put a 40-hour week into your own business, you would earn 10 times your wage now. Online job number 1. Freelancing on online platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Did you know that kids as young as 13 can start freelancing on Fiverr? As a teenager, you can easily earn thousands of dollars through online job platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr. Those online freelance sites provide safety and security for you to connect with people and are huge marketplaces where you can sell your writing, graphic designing, and even computer programming skills to folks who have a need for them. And believe me, lots of folks do have a need for those services. And you don't have to be an expert with years of experience to start selling your skills. Think about the awesome logo you designed for your high school band, or that unique mascot you created for your school football team that's got everyone talking. Those are your creations, right? All you need to do is to add images of your previous designs to the free profile you created, showcasing your skills, and you are set to go. The people who need your services will connect with you, and the online platform merely takes a small percentage cut of the transaction. You can push boundaries in your favor by joining niche groups on social media, such as Facebook and Instagram. Joining groups related to your skills gives you a huge advantage by networking with highly talented individuals who will be amazed at seeing a teenager trying to get an early head start in an adult career. And trust me, they will be impressed enough to want to offer you advice and insight into developing your skills, and might even give you jobs earning you more income. Everyone loves an ambitious teenager, and if you are ready to work and earn your way through life, people will be willing to support and help you along the way. Online job number 2. Start a YouTube channel. If there is one thing that teenagers love to do with their smartphones, it's making videos. You can actually earn thousands of dollars by converting this teenage passion into a YouTube channel by posting videos on popular topics and events designed around teenage trends, activities, and even obsessions. You can grow subscribers by developing your content around popular local and high school events, popular athletes, and classmates. And as they and their friends view and subscribe to your YouTube channel, your watch time grows, and so does your income from your Google AdSense revenue. And if you don't want to earn revenue from Google, you can persuade local businesses to advertise on your YouTube channel. The truth is, you might have to work a bit harder in developing great content for your YouTube channel before making any serious income from it. But in the process, you will be learning many life skills that you wouldn't have learned in your high school. And if you reckon that learning valuable digital marketing and publishing skills aren't a waste of your time, then you're set for good. Creating videos for your YouTube channel gives you the opportunity to learn how to professionally shoot and write videos, narrate and write scripts. These are the right kinds of skills that look great on your resume should you decide to seek a career in cinema or television. If you consider the cost of starting a YouTube channel to be too expensive and don't want to shell out too much cash on an expensive camera and other editing gear, then there are creative ways to get around that. But if your high school has a camera studio or photo club, you can always borrow their camera to get started. And as you earn more income, you can decide to buy your own gear. Before we jump into number 3, I want you to pause, go to the comments section, and write 3 goals you want to achieve before 2021. Writing goals down has been proven to help up to 47% more. Online job number 3. Start a dropshipping business. In the science fiction thriller Frequency, a scene of the movie set in 1999 has the main character talk to a kid in 1969 over a time-lapse ham radio. During the conversation, he told the boy to pay attention to Yahoo. If I could travel back in time to my teenage years, which I spent mostly playing games, camping, going to the movies, and thinking about girls, I would have told my younger self to pay attention to dropshipping. When I was a teenager with no artistic skills whatsoever and no social skills to be proud of, setting up an online dropshipping business would have been a great way of making money online. To be a freelancer, you need to have creative skills that you would have to sell. And let's face it, you need to have a certain charisma and on-screen presence to become a successful YouTube host. Unlike those online jobs, dropshipping is the perfect online job for the average teenage kid. Dropshipping is pretty straightforward, and it doesn't require that you buy and store all the stuff you want to sell. All you need to get started is a Shopify account with a product page, where you can add products to your Shopify store, set your prices, and create a product description. When you install applications like Oberlo, dropshipping gets so much easier. Installing the Oberlo Marketplace application on your computer will help you streamline the entire dropship process, and you'll get access to vast categories of different products in a few clicks to help you complete your fulfillment process. No creative skills are required for this game. The moment you get an order, Oberlo goes to work by communicating the order details through to the supplier who delivers the item to the customer. The amount of money you can earn in just 2 clicks is what makes dropshipping amazing. And the more products you can add to your Shopify account, the more your chances of earning more income. What's more, the best thing about dropshipping is that you don't have to sell what everyone else is selling. You can actually focus on selling niche items, stuff that people want but have a hard time finding. And yes, you can charge a little extra for these items, making yourself a tidy profit in the process. You have to be 18 years old before you can open an account on Shopify, but you can get a parent or guardian to open an account for you, and you can just manage it. Online job number 4. Sell handmade items on Etsy. Are you the creative or artistic type? Do you draw incredible pictures of animals or beautiful scenery? Do you create fantastic wooden or stone sculptures? Etsy is a great platform where artistic teenagers can sell their knitting, unique jewelry, even personalized greeting cards, and invitations. The list of creative or handmade stuff you can sell on Etsy is infinite. All you need to do is discover your creative voice, make the item, and find buyers for it on Etsy. Like I said, whatever your talent, Etsy caters for teens who can get creative. It doesn't matter if you can't make great works of art. If you're good with a laptop, you can sell downloadable art templates for printing on mugs, t-shirts, or mousepads. Even better, you can provide a customizable product like the picture of a client's favorite pet or house, or even a girlfriend on t-shirts and other items. Online job number 5. Become a tutor. A lot of teenagers may scoff at the suggestion, but being a teenage tutor is one of the best jobs available for a teen. If you are good at certain subjects during high school, chances are you can teach those subjects exceptionally well. And several companies are willing to hire teenagers as young as 15 years old as online tutors to help others learn. If your native language is English, then you're in a bit of luck, because English language tutors are high in demand with half-hourly rates of around $10, and to be honest, it will look great on your resume. And folks, that is the end of the video. Remember to take action. Nothing will happen until you take the first steps. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to never miss a video. Who knows, it might just change your life. Comment below if you learned anything.